Hi everyone, I'm Igor, the co-founder of Amazonia PPC agency. Since 2016, we've been helping Amazon brands scale their businesses. In this video, I'm going to talk about your listing. Have you ever wondered how somebody who's reading your listing is gonna feel like after reading your listing? If you haven't, you should ask yourself that, because somebody reading your listing, your title, your bullet points and description, the A+ content, somebody reading that can have a lot, even subconscious feeling about, is it positive, is it neutral, is it even negative sentiment on that listing. Now, is there a better way to know that than using Amazon own tools for that? That's when Amazon Comprehend comes to play. Now, to access the Amazon Comprehend, you need to sign up for Amazon Web Services or AWS. You can have most of their tools for free for the first 12 months. Even after that, and even if you opt in to pay for it, it's pretty affordable. How to analyze your listing? When you open up Amazon Comprehend, it's pretty easy to navigate. It's a simple tool. You just grab your listing. Let's take this fancy squirrel and copy the script, the bullet points, for example. You want to paste that into the input field over here and just click Analyze. You will be presented with some overall results. So the most important is the sentiment. Is it neutral, positive, or negative? God forbid. So in this case, it's 98% positive sentiment. You can go also by the tabs up there and analyze the entities. What is it that maybe is not elaborated enough? And you can also go to analyze the key phrases, and is it clear to the reader what you want to communicate? And depending on the details on your listings, you can really find some interesting results over here. This one is pretty good. So confidence is in the 90s mostly for most of the keywords used. And as I said, the most important thing as the sentiment is 98% positive. Now, to have a better example, let's do another one. Let's take the second listing I have over here and just use the bullet points of it. Yeah, it's pretty good products, but let's analyze what's the feeling after reading it. Some basic info, really nothing special on the entities, key phrases, flashing buzzer, yeah, 83, that's pretty good, but still for a flashing buzzer it should be more than that, so maybe something more descriptive than that. Light, the effect that it actually lights is not that clearly stated in the listing, and we can go further and analyze the phrases. Okay, this is pretty confident, that's good. Let's see the sentiment. Yeah, this is a great example. So neutral, 58 confidence from neutral. So somebody reading this, even though it's a pretty funny product, and somebody reading and evaluating this product can really have a smile on their face, but still to a reader, it's not the text itself can be written more positively, like turn the text into more positive tone by adding some maybe jokes or use cases where you can send that to your colleague. Don't send it to your boss, but send that to your colleague, and that kind of stuff. Positive is only 40% confidence. So this is a use case scenario how to make your listings shine. Really, it's a free tool, just takes a little bit of practice and you will improve it to the max. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let me know if you need any help about this, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.